Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can draw in your presentations on Google Slides. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced skills to pull this off. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us dive into this. So launch your presentation, Google Slides. So let me go with that slide here for the sake of this tutorial. And all you need to do, guys, is hover your mouse over that icon here at the top, scribble. However, if you don't see it, simply click on that arrow down icon here, select line, and select the form or the shape you would like to use. So if you'd like to draw freehand, select scribble from that drop-down menu. And after that, simply use your left mouse to draw freehand, like in Paint, for instance. So start by left clicking and then hold your left mouse and, for instance, release it just like that. So as you can see, I drew a line like that. Now you can customize your shape like that, make it larger, resize it, position it, rotate it, and so on and so forth, guys. Change the color. So that's basically it. That's how you draw in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.